All right, here's how to do main site navigation in a UCSC WordPress website. If you've done menus in WordPress before, this is going to be a little bit different, but I think it's a lot easier once you get the hang of it. I'm logged into my WordPress dashboard here. I'm going to go over to Appearance. I'm going to ignore this menus link and I'm going to go right into the editor. This is the new site editor in WordPress, and this is where you can update portions of your site in a more visual way. You can see right here where we normally have the main navigation on our UCSC websites. There's this button. I'm going to click it a few times here. Click Start Empty, and what that's going to do behind the scenes is create a new navigation menu. So now that I have a new navigation menu, I'll click the plus button to add a link. After I click that, I get a few options for pages that exist on my site that I can link to. I'm going to go ahead and press News. And if I want this to be a different text than the title of the page, I can just go ahead and type that in. So now I have News and Events. I'm going to hit Return, and that pops open a option to add another link. I'm going to go ahead and put feedback in there. I'm going to call it something different. Let's just call it Contact Us. Now that I've got all the navigation I want in here, I'm going to hit Save. It's going to tell me where it's saving these things. If the idea of templates and template parts doesn't make sense, that's totally okay. It's not something you need to know right away. All right, it says my site is updated. I'm going to go back to the dashboard, and then I'm going to go visit my site. And there is my main site navigation menu. Click on News and Events. That's my news page. I'm going to click Contact Us, and that's my feedback page. So my menu is up to date. Now, what about if I have a drop-down menu? So let's go back to the dashboard. Let's go into the editor again. I'm going to, let's say, News and Events. I'm going to click on that, and now I get this popover menu up here, and here is a little curious button called Add Submenu. Click Add Submenu, and it puts a little thing down below it. I'm going to click this plus to add a link. Here, maybe I'll put a link to the campus events calendar. Hit return. By default, it just sort of puts the URL in there, but of course we're going to change that and say campus events. Now that I'm done with that, again, I'm going to press save. It's going to tell me it's saving to that navigation menu. Go out here to the dashboard, visit my site, and now I have a drop-down. Simple as that. You can have any link can have a drop-down. Just click that little sub-menu button. There are some styling things still to fix on these menus, so this is not what the final thing is going to look like, but it does show you that you can create drop-downs really easily within the site editor. Once again, to get there, you go to Appearance, Editor, and that is how you manage your main site navigation on your new UCSC WordPress site.